Hello, and today is actually my birthday, so happy birthday to me. And today I have actually changed the name of the channel from Explosive Geography to Explosive 2. I thought by adding more genres to the channel, more people would be attracted, so I would do better. Anyway, if you are watching this, thank you. This supports me quite a lot, and we're going to get straight into some wreckfest. Lawnmowers versus large trucks. If I get through one. So here we go. As you can see, these trucks are quite massive and they're also fast. But so is my lawnmower. Oh, why did I go up the ramp? It was such a bad choice. All these trucks, I think, are number 67 and I'm number 21C. Oh no. You see, that's what is going to happen all the time. I'm already down to 70 HP. Look at that massive pack of trucks. Don't ask me how I'm in 9th, but I am. This is as fast as the lawnmower will go, 76 miles an hour. This thing could travel on the motorway if it wanted to. See what I mean by I just wanted to get through one lap? We're only halfway through it and we're on half health basically. So yeah, don't forget, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, why did I use that? Right, I think, yeah, we made it through one lap. In 1 minute 23 seconds. If this attempt fails, I'm going to do another on 3 laps. Because that should be a lot easier than 10. Oh! Wrecked, right. Oh, we level up, nice. Right, I'm going to change it. Right, so we're going to keep the lawnmower and the big rigs, but we're going to make it 3 laps. Hopefully I'll do a bit better this time. And yes, the AI is on easy, otherwise this would be impossible to even get past the ramp. So test that out if you want to. But I recommend getting this game because it's really fun to just mess about in. It is called Wreckfest. And I hope I don't get copyrighted for any of this. The names of the AI, I think they're like randomly generated or something. I don't know if the developers actually made these, but these are quite weird nicknames like Rebel Rat, Rancid Kitty, Texas Hound. Not sure if any actual Texans are called that, but okay. I want to see your trick. Ow. That didn't go as planned. Okay, yeah. I think I might have one more attempt after this. Like, I really want to finish this. I am actually resetting a lot because otherwise I'm going to just get wrecked on the first corner. Because even when you've ejected out of your lawnmower actually still does take damage. But I don't know how I'm on 18 HP, but everything looks fine. You see in the bottom left corner? Everything looks completely fine, except for the front and back, which are a bit damaged. But still, we're on 14. Oh, the engine's on fire below there. Okay. Okay, that's full. Yeah, full. Okay. By the way, my name is Lucas. My friend is Silas. He runs the main channel called Explosive. Without the 2. We were wrecked. That's a shame. Look, these are all A class, these trucks. And we're just a B class. Right, one more attempt, and then I think I'm going to end off the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. I'm going to go down right in the middle of these. Got a good position so far, but we can't go off and... Oh no, no, no! Oh! Would you like that to happen to you? I'm pretty sure no one would. Luckily, these aren't real people in the cars. I went under him. That's how small a lawnmower is. Wow. Hitboxes are so weird. Skip over all these. Right, I think I'm going to do the extra large jump. Oh, this is going to end really badly. Where did my lawnmower go? I need to stop messing about and actually get seriously racing. I want to finish this. Speeding along at nearly 80 miles an hour. No! Right, we could finish this, but no, I'll probably jinx myself, so... Yeah, if you don't see the end of this, I'm sorry for you, but I might not be able to do it. We're catching up, we're catching up, we're catching up. We're in first! Oh my god. We're actually in first. Oh no, no, no. No! Why did they have to do that? I just need to drive the cleanest last lap ever, and I could be able to do it. We've got a bit of a tough competition, but we're dead, we're dead. Just like that, we're dead. We're going to end off the video here, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Explosive 2.